Hey everyone, I'm James, CEO and co-founder of Loci Labs, a new British foundational AI company and the creators of GB1, the private, planet-friendly AI assistant from the UK. So why did we build GB1? We love AI, but we hated how it was being built. AI has the potential to be the most transformative technology of our time. But right now, it's dominated by a handful of tech giants, deeply entangled with politics, training on data without people's consent, and powered by data centers that guzzle at an unsustainable rate. I don't know about you, but I'm not too keen on that future. So that's why we built GB1, an alternative to the other AI assistants out there. One that puts your privacy and the planet first, while still matching the performance of Frontier Labs. So let me show you how it works. At its core, GB1 is an AI assistant you can chat with about almost anything across both our web app and mobile app. You can use it to plan things, analyze files, search the web, or just get help with whatever you're working on. For example, here I'm asking GB1 to plan a 3-day trip to Edinburgh, and it instantly generates a full itinerary. Now, let's turn it into a mermaid flowchart. Great. But what's important is what's happening behind the scenes. Your chats are end-to-end encrypted. We never train on your conversations, even for free users. And because we run our own model in the UK, your data never leaves the country, which has some of the world's strictest privacy laws. And something we're really proud of is that GB1 runs entirely on 100% renewable energy. So every message you send is processed on our own infrastructure, powered entirely by those renewables. Now, once you start using GB1 pretty regularly, you'll probably want to organize different conversations. So that's why we built Spaces. Spaces lets you create dedicated environments for different projects, whether that's a startup idea, research, coding, or even planning a D&D campaign. Each space becomes its own workspace where GB1 helps you think, plan, and create. We've also built a community page directly into GB1. Instead of a closed roadmap decided behind boardroom doors, you can suggest ideas and upvote the features you want to see next. Although we're just a small, independent team based in London, we're extremely passionate about what we're building and shipping improvements as fast as we can. So please do join our Discord, vote on features, and help shape the future of GB1. Now, of course, none of this matters if the AI itself isn't any good. So under the hood, GB1 runs on our model Loci L1 Large, our first flagship large language model. L1 was built on Qwen 3, and post-trained using our proprietary framework called Forget-Me-Not, which allows the model to improve itself without forgetting what it previously learned. We like to think of it as that scene in The Matrix where Neo is training in the dojo. The model just keeps learning new things without losing the foundations underneath it. If you click the top right now, you can also link to our technical blog explaining a bit more on how it works. The result is a model that performs at the frontier level, outperforming GPT-5, Gemini 3, Claude Sonnet, and Qwen on Arena Hard v2, the leading benchmark for human preference, whilst matching in reasoning, maths, and instruction following. And it does this while being far smaller than many frontier systems on the market. We also expanded knowledge for underrepresented languages like Welsh, Irish, or Scottish, reduced censorship and bias to make it more neutrally aligned, and tried to make the model feel a bit more human, including adding a touch of British humour to it. And because we believe in open and transparent AI, Loci L1 is completely open source, available on our Hugging Face for anyone to use, study, or build upon it. So I've linked upon it in the description so you can go check that out. But this is just the beginning. Over the coming months, we'll be rolling out a lot of new features, improvements, and models. And if GB1 is the kind of AI you'd like to use or even just want to exist, we'd really appreciate your support. You can try it out now for free today. And if you like what we're building, please do give us an upvote on Product Hunt. Thanks for watching. Cheers.